university is an answered prayer for many students. Some might even refer to it as a place where dreams become reality, paving the way for a future of success. But with the hopes of furthering your education or getting that university experience, an unexpected event occurred that changed the course of your life. While walking from class, you were robbed, not only of your personal belongings, but also the fun experience you wanted to have. You now become fearful because of what transpired, and it has led you to start questioning your safety on the university campus.
Safety on campus is very important. If the students don't feel safe, I don't think they will be effective in learning, because you would have to be worrying now about you just existing on campus and being able to survive rather than focusing on studies.
Of course, this is a concern on and off campuses, so the important thing is to arm yourself with information that can help increase your safety.
When it comes to safety and the university campus, we'd have to put it in context. So students are more at risk at nighttime, and given that reality, students can be safe in many ways. They can walk in groups at night, they can avoid dark spaces and lonely areas.
If your university offers an on-campus shuttle service, use it.
They have campus security escort you can call and ask for escort to drop you at your necessary locations if it is too late.
As for females in particular,
well, something I always tell my women is that we want to ensure that somebody knows your location at all times. Sometimes we're a bit too negligent and we don't really want anybody in our business, but I think having at least one trusted friend to have your location is really beneficial. And as well, women, we need to look out for each other. So constantly checking in to make sure that they are okay. Check the location. If they say they're going somewhere, you check in periodically to say, hey, is everything okay? Are you feeling safe? Are you back home? Stuff like that. As well as taking a few self-defense classes. It might seem over the top, but it's beneficial for us as women because you never know what could happen.
Some of the things I will tell students, especially as freshmen, please don't be naive when you arrived on campus. Ensure your personal security as it regards to using your personal gadgets. It could be laptops, cell phones, whatever it is. Don't be careless in a way that you constantly utilize your phones and in areas where it might look safe, but at the end of the day, you need to look around your surroundings, at least glance to see, is it okay? Please to do so, because you have to remember too, we have financial institutions here on campus. They have also persons coming off campus. They're not students. They have to utilize these business facilities.
With safety as a priority, no matter where you may go, it is incumbent on you to be very vigilant.
Oftentimes, when conversations about safety happens, people think that it's only students on hall who are at risk. You have commuting students who may have to leave their classes, let's say around 9 p.m. and have to walk to the back gate to rely on public transportation. That long walk, oftentimes, they would come upon dark points. The more places are bright, it tends to ward off thieves and persons who may want to have, malicious intent.
While urging students to take precautionary measures on the campus, the same goes when traveling on the roads.
Whenever you have to take taxis to come to campus, please ensure you get a glance of the license plate numbers. I have to be practical. At some points, you might not be able to get the license plate number because of the rush going into the vehicle, but please take note of your drivers. It is very important there.
On these campuses that house thousands of students and accommodate thousands more who commute, there is no doubt that the roads are very busy.
Don't cross the roads being on your phone, please. And also, when you are using your laptops at gazebos, ensure that you are in possession of your items. If you have to move, ensure that you ask someone to look at your items and don't move too far. Remember, students, coming here on campus, even returning students, your security is your responsibility. Always remember that, please.
But if students should look out for each other with the mindset that each one helps one, then the ebbs and flows of life would be less challenging.
There's beauty in community, so you're less vulnerable when you are surrounded by a group of people and all of you are going towards the same direction.